So I don't want my ramen to be too spicy, so I'm gonna try it with maybe like half the packet, and I'm gonna see if I like it. So right now I'm editing my spicy noodle video, and I just wanted to say that if you guys don't like chewing or slurping noises, then don't watch this video. Because I know some people don't like, you know, they have like pet peeves, like people chewing with their mouth open or whatever, but like if you guys don't like that, then don't watch it. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Bye. This ramen has a very good flavor. The only thing I don't like about it is the taste of the seaweed. I don't like seaweed. I don't know why I put it in there. And I put less than half of the spicy sauce. It's pretty good. I like the sweet taste of it. I just don't like the seaweed flavor. So next time I make it, I'm probably not gonna add the seaweed, but it's really good. The noodles taste different than other ramens I use. It's spicy. I'm gonna go get a drink. Whoa. I didn't even put half of the packet in there, and it's burning my tongue. It's also really hot to eat. Like, I need to let it cool down. And I tried to not put too much water. It's literally dry. I usually eat my ramen with the caldo, but I wanted to try it like this because I've seen people eat it like this, and it's really hot. It's really hot. I'm probably the last one to ever try this. I can't finish it. But I got to try it, and now I know if I like it or not. But it's very spicy. So I'm just going to finish watching Ozark. I'm on season 2, episode 3, and it's getting good. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.